Welcome viewers to another very important video. If you are all Windows user, then you must disable these settings from the group editor policy to stop further your activity upload to the cloud. Deep dive into particular setting and we will discuss while disabling those settings. So let's go to your GPEDIT policy editor. For that, click on Start menu. Type here GPEDIT. Under Best Match, you will see this Edit Group Policy Control Panel option. Click here. This will open Local Group Policy Editor. Come down to this Administrative Templates under Computer Configuration. Click here. Then look for this system. Open this as well. And now scroll a little bit and locate OS policies. Select it. And to the right side, you will see OS policy showing some of the settings with their status and comments. Here, you will see these three settings. Enable activity feed. So what actually these do? If you enable this policy, the activity types are allowed to be published and activity feed shall roam this activity across device graph of the user. So we will disable this setting. To disable it, simply double click here and select this disabled option here. You can also write your comments. So what does this going to be doing? If you disable this policy setting, activities can't be published and activity feed shall disable cloud sync. So we want this to take effect. Hit apply and then click OK. And now under status column, you will see this is showing as disabled. Similarly, we will be doing the same with remaining these two settings. Double click here to allow publishing of user activities. Mark it as disabled. If you disable this policy setting, activity of type users are not allowed to be published. Hit apply and then click OK. And the last, allow upload of user activities. We also don't want this to happen anymore. Double click here, select disabled. If you disable this policy setting, activities of type user activity are not allowed to be uploaded. Deletion of activities of type user activity are independent of these settings. Hit apply to take this policy change, take immediately and then hit OK. So now you have disabled all the three settings. Once done, you can close this local group policy editor and then restart your system. And that's it. So thanks for watching guys this video. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.